How to create account on Tinder without using your original number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can create an account on Tinder without using your original numbers, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to basically create an account on Tinder without using the original number, you can just go ahead and then open up the Tinder application here. And once you launch the Tinder app, you're basically going to see this type of interface. So without using your original number, what you can actually do is, if you don't have an original number, you can actually try to use a virtual phone number. And there are many virtual phone number available online out there, which I'm not going to discuss in depth. You can just try to search it. It will also send you the code. So if you have the code that you want to use for your Tinder, you can use a certain phone number that you like for your account, and once done, you'll be able to bypass the verification process. You can go to Google and search for free receive SMS codes. They are completely legal, and some of them are also free, some of them are paid, so you might want to get hold of that. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically create a Tinder account without using your original phone number. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.